Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Spotify connectivity in EV infotainment using official app step by step clearly. To restore Spotify connectivity in your EV infotainment system using the official app, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and in a safe location. First, open the Spotify app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your Spotify account. Next, confirm that your smartphone is connected to your vehicle's Bluetooth system. If you haven't already, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone in the settings menu. Now, access the infotainment system in your EV. Navigate to the settings or connectivity section on the infotainment screen. Look for an option to connect or pair a device via Bluetooth. On your vehicle's display, select Add Device or a similar option. Your infotainment system should now be scanning for available devices. On your smartphone, search for available Bluetooth devices. Select your vehicle from the list of available devices. You may be prompted to confirm a pairing code on both your smartphone and the infotainment screen. Once confirmed, the devices will pair successfully. Return to the Spotify app on your smartphone. Locate the Devices Available option within the app. Tap to select your connected vehicle from the list. If prompted, allow Spotify to connect to the vehicle's infotainment system. Now, you can play music through your EV's audio system. To ensure seamless playback, consider restarting the Spotify app if it doesn't connect immediately. Additionally, check for any pending updates for the Spotify app in your App Store. Once updated, repeat the connection process if necessary. You should now have restored Spotify connectivity in your EV infotainment system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.